Sri Chaitanya Educational Institutions.
Hi, I'm Sumana, CSC final year from Sri Chaitanya College of Engineering, and recently I have placed in a Codiva Tech solution, and my designation is a web app developer, and my package is 3 lakhs per annum. And I'm so thankful for Sri Chaitanya College of Engineering for my success. And for my job role, there are 3 rounds. First round is aptitude, second round is technical skills, and third round is communication skills. And aptitude means nothing but about CRT. In our college, they daily conduct CRT classes for us. And in these CRT classes, they tell us about the reasoning, logical thinking, problem solving, decision making, all such type of things. And these things help me to qualify in the first round, that is aptitude. And second round is technical skills. For my designation, that means for my role, I need to have a knowledge about web technologies, HTML, CSS. And our college trained me a lot in web technologies, HTML and CSS, so that this helped me in qualifying the second round. And the third round is for most important communication skills. And for every person, the communication skills plays a major role to qualify in an interview and to get a job. And in our college, they conduct English labs, AECS labs for communication skills. And in those labs, they conduct sessions like jam sessions, group discussion, debate, 1-minute speech, paper presentation, etc. And this helps us to get overcome of a stage fear, and how this helps us how we present ourselves in front of others, and we can also improve the communication skills. And in CRT classes also, they will conduct group discussion to improve our communications. And they also conduct career development programs. They brings us a lot of companies to hire the students to be placed in companies. And we have the best infrastructure in our labs. They gives us free internet, free Wi-Fi throughout the day, and this is most useful for us. And we also have a good equipment in laboratories like physics lab, chemistry lab, etc. And finally I would like to thank the whole management, Sri Chaitanya College, and our principal sir and our secretary sir for my success and leading me for the path of success. And finally, thank you so much for Sri Chaitanya College of Engineering.
Sri Chaitanya Educational Institutions, established in 1997, the largest educational group in Telangana. Microsoft Corporation recognized as Technology Learning Center. Well-equipped 120 plus labs, 50 plus approved courses, 9,000 plus students, and 500 plus faculties. Genuine placements in MNC and branded companies. Highest in Karimnagar district. Sri Chaitanya College of Engineering. MCET code CHTN. BTech, Civil, Mechanical, EEE, CSC, ECE, MBA, MCA.